friends. How are you? Today I want to drawing a ball and a soccer shoes. Do you like playing football? Let's try to drawing and painting with me. I love to drawing and painting a ball and soccer shoes. First I want to drawing a circle.
Round and round, the wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
And I want to drawing the pattern of the ball.
The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish.
And now I want to drawing the soccer shoes.
The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The horn on the bus goes beep,
Let's coloring.
beep, 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 beep. The horn
Red.
on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus. Yeah! People on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down.
Orange.
People on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round
Yellow.
and round.
This is a colorful ball.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the bus.
Green.
The wipers on the bus go swish, swish,
Light
swish.
blue.
Swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish,
Peach.
swish, all through the town. The wheels on the
Purple.
bus. Yeah! The wheels on the bus.
Now let's coloring the soccer shoes. Light blue. Look, the ball is rolling.
Beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep,
Yellow.
all through the town. The wheels on the bus.
Red.
People on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town.
Orange.
The wheels on the bus go.
Thanks for watching. If you have clicked subscribe button, I really appreciate it. See you on the next videos.